I have here some premium food, Stella and Chewy. This chicken dinner. This is something entirely new to them. And look at that. All lined up. This is, mind you, after their dinner. So, well, actually, this thing smells like fish floss. Back for these kitties! I never feel as loved as I do now. Alright. This is dangerous because Max has accidentally bitten me once. And he didn't mean it, but I bled a lot. So for those of you who want to do this with your cats, do be careful because they have very sharp teeth. Yeah, Faith. Faith, baby, here. Okay. No more, I'm sorry. You can lick my fingers. This is a real winner considering that they just had their dinner and they're going nuts over this. So, you may want to try this out with your cats. I'm sorry, no more.